Okay, ayan, nakikita nyo sila. Kasalukuyan nagpapalit ng nagsusuot ng sapatos and preparing for the 10 kilometers run uphill and downhill in this mountain. Katatapos lang nilang lumangoy ng 350 meters. Okay, they are wearing their jersey.
Ay, sige ko, sombrero. Go, go, go.
Okay, there they go. This is a 10-kilometer run. Going down the hill, this is a 10 kilometers downhill and uphill run.